When it comes to choosing windows for your home in Glendale, functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency are essential considerations. Among the various window styles available, casement windows stand out as a popular and practical choice for homeowners. These windows, hinged at the side and opening outward with a crank mechanism, offer numerous advantages that enhance the comfort, security, and overall appeal of a home. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here are the top benefits of casement windows for homes in Glendale. Superior ventilation. One of the standout features of casement windows is their ability to provide excellent ventilation. Unlike traditional double-hung or sliding windows that only open partially, casement windows can open fully, allowing maximum airflow. This is particularly beneficial in Glendale, where warm temperatures can make proper ventilation a necessity. By opening the window outward, you can direct breezes into your home, keeping indoor spaces cool and fresh. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners in Glendale due to the region's warm climate. Casement windows create a tight seal when closed, reducing air leaks and improving insulation. This design helps maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your air conditioning system and ultimately lowering energy bills. Many casement windows also come with advanced glazing options, such as low-E glass, to further enhance thermal efficiency. Unobstructed views and natural light. Casement windows typically feature large glass panes without the interruption of multiple frames or grids, offering a clear, unobstructed view of the outdoors. This is perfect for homeowners who want to maximize natural light and enjoy Glendale's scenic beauty. Whether you have a backyard garden or view of the mountains, casement windows can enhance the visual appeal of your home while brightening up interior spaces. Improved security. Security is a top priority for any homeowner, and casement windows provide excellent protection against intruders. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, which can sometimes be forced open, casement windows have hook-shaped locks embedded within the frame. When locked, they are difficult to pry open, adding an extra layer of security to your home. For added protection, homeowners can opt for impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames. Easy operation and maintenance. Casement windows operate with a simple crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close. This is particularly beneficial for hard-to-reach areas, such as over kitchen sinks or in high ceiling rooms. Additionally, because they do not have sashes that slide, there are fewer places for dirt and dust to accumulate. Cleaning casement windows is also convenient, as they can be fully opened, allowing both interior and exterior glass surfaces to be cleaned from inside the home. Versatile design option. Casement windows come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes to match different architectural aesthetics. Whether your home has a modern, contemporary, or traditional design, there are casement window options to complement it. You can also customize features such as frame colors, grille patterns, and glass types to create a unique look that enhances your home's curb appeal. Increased property value. Upgrading to casement windows can add value to your home by improving energy efficiency, aesthetics, and security. Prospective buyers appreciate high-quality windows that enhance comfort and reduce energy costs. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, investing in casement windows can make your property more appealing and potentially increase its resale value. Conclusion: casement windows offer a perfect blend of functionality, style, and efficiency, making them an excellent choice for homes in Glendale. From superior ventilation and energy savings to improved security and easy maintenance, these windows provide numerous benefits that enhance your living experience. If you're looking to upgrade your home's windows, consider installing casement windows to enjoy their many advantages for years to come.